What's up, guys? I'm hoping that you're having a fantastic day. Me and Ethan were playing a game and with his cousin. I don't know who they are, so in the meantime, you see this right here? You know those seeds that come from Queen Palms? Well, this is one, but it's not open yet, but we cut it off. So let's see what's in here, and then, yeah. Because I never done this. So let's do this. Alright, so let's try and open this thing. This is more of what the flip moment. What's inside? I wonder what's inside when it's not opened yet. Oh, there's a crack right here. Let's see if that will open. It's very strong. Dude, it's cracking. Literally, it's cracking. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I barely heard it, so that was not a crack. These things are thick, aren't they? All right, I cut it a little bit. Dude, this thing is taller than me. Literally. Look at this. Look at me. This is it's so tall. Let's see if we can crack it open. Look at, there's a crack. It's right there. I'm trying to split it. Dude, it's strong. It is not. Well, it is not ready yet. My cut. I have a cut. I mean, the cut was already there, but. Come on. Come on. Alright, it just can't. It's sweating. Dude, you just can't. This thing is super strong. I just want to like cut it in half, like. Ugh. I don't mean to be mean, palm trees, but yeah, this thing is. Dude, should I like compress on it? Oh, I should put my foot on it. All right, do some digging. It's literally like a rock, but alive. Ugh. Dude, this thing is hard as heck. Hey, I'm doing a video.
Film a video?
Yeah, I'm filming a video trying to open this.
Where's your iPad then?
It's right there. Ethan just came out of his height, so I couldn't find him. I did not think you would be in there.
Times. I want to try to break it.
All right, now Ethan's here. Do you want to show your face?
No.
No, do you want to show your face? Is it okay?
Either. But how are we going to see if we split it in half? Put it down where it. Ready?
Dude, this thing is hard as heck. I've been trying this. Oh, it's like, dude, it's cracking right here, but.
Hold on.
Dude, I really want to see what's inside. Oh, it's cracking! Oh, dude, pick up the camera and look. Pick up the camera and show this.
Guys.
You can flip the camera. You can flip it like that.
Guys.
open.
No, don't. Dude, what? Dude. Oh, I see it. I literally see it. No, stop. You're not making this very. Dude, this thing.
Strong. Ethan, you try it.
Dude, this. Yeah, that's a good idea. Oh.
What? It's pretty good.
Should we get that sharp tool?
Remember it broke? Move
Oh,
down.
yeah.
I'll do it.
Oh, that's so satisfying.
Oh, yeah.
It would be satisfying if you went.
Wait, is it cutting all the way through? Whoa, that's
No,
so
stop.
cool. What's
Oh
inside? My God. Wait, let's see if we can get a view of it
Dude.
after we crack it open.
No, stop. Let's see if we can crack it.
Look, there's seeds in there.
The seeds
is
are
a
not
lot of
ready.
seeds.
The seeds are not ready.
Look, here's one seed.
That seed is not ready.
Look, here's one of the seeds. They're very tiny.
That seed is not ready.
It's like as big as my nail.
They get even bigger than that. Ethan, stop. Okay, just set the camera down. You're making this like a little violent.
Me?
No. Stop!
What am I doing? It's called cracking.
Guys, look, there's some. Oh my, look. It's
Oh!
like a
Move your hand. Move your hand.
No. Oh, dude, these are ready. Some of them are
Pull 'em
actually
out.
ready. Some of these. This.
about to pull them out.
Palm trees.
Can you stop? Look at these seeds right here. All right.
How many seeds there are?
There's like 40 billion. This is one of the seeds that are ready, and this is the seed that is not ready.
They're very tiny.
Does anyone have a chisel?
A chisel?
A chisel.
I don't know what those are.
Oh, that big good.
Oh, guys. We're,
Wait, Ethan, can you
Dude.
hold the camera?
Hold on. No.
Hold it real
no,
quick.
we should do
Oh,
this
hold
in
the camera.
No,
camera
we should do this in the dirt. My dad's gonna get mad. All right, we're gonna.
Let's do it.
Cole,
Watch
hold
out,
the
Cole.
camera.
Oh!
That's what I was gonna do.
Oh! Look at this,
Whoa,
dude. This,
that is a lot.
dude.
It's so satisfying. It looks so pretty.
I know.
Oh my god! Oh, look at this thing.
Feel how smooth this is.
Oh my God, that's so smooth on the inside.
Oh,
I want to
look
try
at
to pick this thing up.
Look at this.
Oh my God, this thing's actually pretty heavy.
I know. Those are just seeds. Look at this. Look at the camera.
Those are all seeds on like
Oh
little
my
strings.
god.
Guys,
Look at the big two.
I don't know if you guys can't feel it, but you can look how smooth that looks.
Do it to the
That's so smooth.
I know. We have to break this up. Dude, stop! Dude, those can all fall and we have to rake those up.
Hey, Cole, hand me that bucket.
So look at this. Look how smooth. There's some seeds in there.
Smooth.
I thought it would be like juices and stuff.
Yeah, me too.
But I already had seeds in it. Dude, what? Dude, these are...
I'm milking it.
Hey, stop it! Stop it!
Smash it. All the seeds will come out.
Wait, watch
No,
this.
I don't want to. No,
Wait, you don't
look
want
at
the seeds to come off?
These seeds are not even ready. They won't work.
Yeah, they will. You just go like this.
No, they don't. They don't work. Stop.
Now
They
look how many
won't.
seeds there are.
These
That's a lot
seeds
of
are not
seeds,
ready yet.
I wonder if we plant one of these, it'll grow.
No,
Wanna try?
it won't because they're not ready. The thing would open
Are you still
up.
recording?
The thing.
Yeah.
Still recording. All right. So just let you know, you could do this at home. It's not dangerous at all. Just make sure to not do this with machete and leave a like and subscribe and goodbye.